So we have these distractions. We have all these different things going on in the world. We not only have the energetic amplification that we are going through, integrating higher frequencies of energy. And as we are integrating these higher frequencies of energy, it brings to the surface all the lower frequency energies that we are holding on to. Not only individually, but as a collective. These things are really playing out in the world right now. But as with the previous topic of the world of ultimate distractions, a lot of these distractions are being fabricated, amplified, such as within the media and so on. A simple thing, for example, could be amplified to create drama. Another thing that is being amplified is the weather, which some of you have known about regarding the flooding in the western part of North Carolina and Tennessee. These storms have been creating these breaking records, such as the storm that was in the North Carolina mountains is said to be a 1,000-year flood. Well, really think about this. We have, people can view this however you want, but these forms of weather manipulation have people been experimenting with manipulating the weather for over 100 years. And for example, in the Vietnam War, which is a little over 50 years ago now, there was a secret program, weather modification program by the U.S. government called Project Popeye. And you can search for it on the internet if you wish, where they manipulated the weather to where there was more rain within the monsoon season. So these types of technology, and you can imagine how the weather modification technology has developed and over the last 50 years since the Vietnam War. And so the storms and so on are being amplified to fit in an agenda. And from the way I see it and everything I'm seeing and the information I'm getting and verifying, it has to do with the project, or say the 2030 agenda. It has to do with, climate change, the whole climate change hoax and so on. This whole thing is a setup for more control, more restrictions, less freedoms for the people, and so on. Again, you can take of this as you want. But the reason why, so it's not really a matter of if weather modification technology exists, because the proof is out there that it does exist. It's a matter of seeing that these agendas are in play to pretty much, and these let me rephrase that. They're setting the stage for the 2030 agenda of the weather modification and so on, the whole climate change hoax, to keep people in the state of, wow, okay, yes, we have all of these things going on around the planet now that wasn't happening before. So therefore, we're going to blame that on the climate change. That's pretty much getting finally around to the main topic of this whole thing. Why else would people agree to climate change restrictions and so on if they didn't see a reason for it. So that's the reason why I'm seeing that the increase of them amplifying storms to have these natural storms to have more, say, more rain, more power, more damage and destruction, and so on. So there's a lot of things being amplified, not only the weather, but all of these different things going on in the world are majorly being amplified to distract people and to funnel people's awareness in a certain directions that's going to fit the agenda for which is being played out. So, my friends, don't fall for the fear porn, as I like to say. Don't fall for the agendas of control and manipulation.